Hi, I'm Ellen from the Chili Dog. Welcome to my studio. I'm here to let you know that it is almost my favorite time of the year, knit along time. Once again, I'm teaming up with my friends from Makers Mercantile, and this time we're going to be knitting my new double feature socks. These cute striped ankle socks are worked from the toe up. They have a gusset and flap heel, and you may have noticed they're fraternal, not identical twins. Now, you may be wondering, how did I come up with the name Double Feature Socks? Well, first of all, the instep of the socks has a lacy film strip like pattern. Also, the socks are knit with two cakes of HiKoo Madrona yarn, which is super soft and yummy to work with. Two cakes is going to be enough to make two, maybe even three pairs of the double feature socks, depending on what size you're knitting. Now, the pattern is written in needle neutral terms, so you can knit the socks using any type of needles you like. DPNs, flexi flips, magic loop, whatever works for you. However, the tutorials that go with the pattern are going to be showing you how to knit the socks on two circular needles so that you're knitting two socks at the same time. I'll include all of the KAL information and links in the description below. And you can also find all of that information in the Makers Mercantile group on Ravelry. Once you're there, just look for the Double Feature Socks KAL discussion thread. Throughout the knit along, that's where we will be discussing everything. That's also where you're going to be able to find links of where to get the pattern and where to get the kits. And let me tell you, Makers Mercantile never lets us down on kits. They are always super cute and include some fun little extras besides just the yarn and the pattern. The discussion thread on Ravelry is also where you're going to be able to ask questions, share your progress, and encourage other knitters as we work on our double feature socks. I can hardly wait to start knitting with you, and until we stitch again, happy knitting.